Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be focusing on how to teach Excel for basic business bookkeeping. In this video, we will be learning how to use Excel for basic business bookkeeping. So, if you have a small business or a medium-sized business, depending on how it is, and you have challenges with keeping books of accounts, and you have no advanced Excel knowledge, but you really need to keep some sort of record for your business, then you can use Excel to actually keep some kind of record. So basically, records to be kept include sales book, your profit and loss, then your bank reconciliation statement. Well, you might not really need a balance sheet for a small business, but you need to know how your sales is going and to keep track of your sales. Then your bank reconciliation statement is also important so that you can actually monitor how much money you have in your bank, if it is actually the correct figure, if it is wrong, and how you move your cash and bank. So in this particular video, I'll be talking about the bank. In this particular video, I'll be talking about the sales book. So I'll be designing a very quick template for us to keep a sales book. So you don't need any advanced knowledge. You just need to follow the steps that I'm doing. So you can, to start with, for your header, you can merge together 2 or 3 layers like this. You right click, then you click on the merge button. So there you title your book, which is the sales ledger or the sales day book, as the case may be. So you can give it a color so that you can give it a color. So now the template you use would be dates, description, amount. Now this date now stands for the date which the product was sold. Now, market differs from each other. For some people, their market is daily. They sell high volumes daily. They sell about 50 to 100 products daily, while for some people it is seasonal. They can sell one on the 1st, sell another one on the 5th. So for someone that is selling, okay, you sold a product on the 1st, let's say 1st of September. September is 9/22. This is date. Now for this description, if you have just a single product, okay, let's say you're a gas retailer, you sell liquefied premium gas, which is the cooking gas, so that is your only product, then you can easily put the description as sales, then amount. Now will determine on how many amount worth of your goods did the person buy. 5,000. Now, I want to believe that you already have your currency, your base currency. But if you like to note the currency, then you can add here in front of the amount. If it is dollar, you put the dollar sign. Okay, you can extend so that it shows. If it is naira, you put your naira sign so that it shows. You understand what I mean? So, or you can just leave it blank so far you know what you have. So now this way, now you can now keep updating your sales record book. Okay, let's say you want to use specific description. So the pots for 17,500 on the 5th,